Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan. So we are going to fix error. Now you see response 550 WP content themes alone. No such file or directory in FileZilla. So we are going to fix it. Before starting work, it's my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So when I try to transfer files, then I see this error. So this error occurred due to permission issue. So we are going to transfer files into WP content folder. So we are going to change permission for this folder. Now back to main folder. So this is our WP content. So we are in FileZilla. Right click on it and then you see file permission. So click on it. Now you see change file attribute, owner permission, group permission, public permission. So you can set numeric value 755. So I already set it and then click on OK. If you want, you can enable this option. So click on OK. Now you see done. Now open it again. So now we are going to transfer file. So drag and drop like this. Now you see successful transfer. File transfer done. So we change folder or file permission in FileZilla. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.